Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing the video with the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. So I'm on 9to5google.com here, and it looks like that Samsung will be discontinuing the Galaxy Z TriFold. So that sucks for those of you who've been wanting this phone. The phone's been out for like almost 3 months now, so Samsung discontinuing that is bad news for those of you who wanted one of these phones here. So, yeah, if you guys want to take this article from 9to5Google, I'll leave what we done below, of course. So it says here, guys, is TriFold officially being discontinued. Likely won't be restocked online. So if you guys want to get one when you can, because once it runs out of stock, it will not be restocked. So, yeah. So that's what the Z TriFold looks like there. Very nice looking phone and stuff like that. So, yeah. So it says here the Galaxy Z TriFold is merely 3 months old, and yet Samsung has directly confirmed that the device is being discontinued, and it sounds like we won't see another restock online either. Following initial reports earlier this week, Samsung has confirmed to Bloomberg that the Galaxy Z TriFold is being discontinued. The device was the device first went on sale in the United States at the end of January 2026. It is March 17th, 2026, so nearly 3 months on sale, roughly almost. So, yeah. Here's here's what Bloomberg has to say about it. Bloomberg also wrote an article about this as well. They say the Korean company will begin by halting sales in its home market and then discontinue business in the U.S. once it clears remaining inventory. A company spokesperson said the move had been anticipated this month. Samsung's website stopped teasing future restocks of the bleeding edge Foldable, which has two hinges and unfolds into a large 10-inch tablet. It now simply says the TriFold is sold out. Samsung's website does suggest that online stock won't be coming back, only saying that interested customers can buy Galaxy Z Fold in person at Samsung Experience stores. The page had previously teased out incoming restocks, but now pushes buyers to find nearby stores while also still having a sign up button. So that's interesting. So if you guys want to get the Galaxy Z TriFold, get to a Samsung Experience store and get one in person. So you have to pay big money for that. Bloomberg also notes that online reports reveal some buyers have found units for purchase at Samsung stores in Frisco, Texas, and Queens, New York. But your results may vary, obviously. Whenever Samsung sells out of these scattered devices, it will discontinue business in the U.S. of the Foldable. The 2008-99 Foldable was Samsung's first with two hinges and three inner display sections, but Samsung never intended to sell the device to a mass market. Still, their early departure is a bit surprising. Prior reports claim that factors such as the cost and complexity of building the TriFold, combined with the rising cost of the smartphone market as a whole during the RAM shortage, played a part in Samsung's decision. Did you buy a Galaxy Z TriFold? Did you want one? So, yeah, so the Galaxy Z TriFold is being discontinued. So, if you guys want one, you guys want to go to a Samsung Experience store. You guys might have one in your area, depending on where you live at. If you don't have one in your area, you guys might have to drive a little ways to get there. So, keep that in mind if you guys wanted to get this one. But yeah, it's $3,000 to get this one if you guys wanted one. So that's a lot of money for a phone. But you guys know that this phone had two hinges and three inner displays. So the phone does look very nice and stuff like that. So if you guys had the cash to drop it on the Galaxy Z TriFold, there you go. And yeah, so we'll see if Samsung comes out with another TriFold later down the line. But as of right now, they're discontinuing the Galaxy Z TriFold. But we'll see if they come out with another one later down the line. But who knows what the future holds for this type of phone. So Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If listening now, like, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.